Ever had your Redmi buds die right when you need them most? Let's make sure that never happens again. I'll show you how to check your Redmi buds 8 active battery in seconds. No guesswork, just quick tips. First up, the fastest check. Just connect your buds and look at your phone's notification bar. You'll see a little battery icon or a percentage right next to the Bluetooth symbol. Seriously, it's that simple. Want the exact numbers? Head to Settings, tap Bluetooth, then hit the arrow or info button next to your Redmi Buds 8 active. You'll get detailed battery percentages for each earbud and even the case. Super handy if you want to know which bud needs a little juice. Here's another quick trick. Take a peek at the charging case LED. Open the lid. If that white light stays on, you're good to go. If you're charging, the LED will stay lit. Once it's fully charged, the light turns off. And if the white light's flashing slowly, you're in pairing mode, so just connect your buds. Now for Xiaomi or Redmi phone users, listen up. This one's for you. Whenever you open your Redmi Buds 8 active case near your unlocked phone, you'll usually get a pop-up showing the battery levels for each bud in the case. No tapping, no searching, just instant info. If you want even more details, download the Xiaomi Earbuds app. It gives you the battery status for each bud and the charging case, all in one place. It's perfect for those who love to keep things organized. So, next time you're heading out, don't get caught with dead earbuds. Quick check, fast charge, and you're set for the day. If this helped, leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more Xiaomi